Welcome to the demonstration video for our secure AI race strategy model. Our model is composed of two components, which are the actual AI race strategy model, then the spoofing protection model, and they work together to replicate the responsibilities of a typical race engineer, one that processes live telemetry data as the racers are going around to suggest things like strategy, like overtakes, or knowing when to pit stop, change out the tires, and whatnot. So our strategy model was created with the help of Llama, a large language model processing tool, and we fed it data from Formula One 2022, McLaren, both drivers, so Lando Norris and Daniel Ricciardo, and from there we created this spreadsheet. We collected the data that we could find, and for those that we didn't, we just left it as zeros, and we sanitized that out of the model when we went to create it, so it wasn't skewed. So from there, we can run our model by changing our directory. You can use PowerShell or Terminal for our projects. And then this is what pops up. Because spoofing data can be really dangerous if AI race strategy is at play, it can suggest really dangerous outcomes. And they might be smaller attacks, so you might not even realize how dangerous they are until they actually deploy. And that can be horrific for both the driver, the car, or the drivers around the driver. So we can first start the model here, and you should keep this open to see all of the messages popping out. So we'll put really outlandish values, things that'll never happen. Those were just defaults. And a tire that does not exist. An assistant that will never happen, hopefully. So you'll inject this data, and then the AI strategy will produce. So you'll see, even if you try to I'll trick the model and do a bunch to delay it, it's not gonna it's not gonna process it. It'll never go through. And then eventually it's going to produce the strategy right here, and it works kind of like I mentioned earlier. It'll tell you like an analysis of what happened. So that'll take a few seconds. Yeah. So this is basically some part of it. We didn't select a specific race for this one, but it's going off of the telemetry that it just created from it running right now. And yeah, this is basically everything that it does. It's really cool. And you'll see that none of the values are any of the injected ones that we tried. So yeah, that is our model. Thank you so much.